guess with hip hop, when I started, I was making beats, mixing beats on the old Yamaha piano, like in synthesizer, electric piano, whatever you want to call it. I guess that's where the whole drum machine, playing the guitar off the drum machine came from. Yeah. Just trying to recreate the music that I heard from Nirvana. Trying to recreate the Bleach album with my first album, Cross Twice, Downside Up. Spent a lot of time trying to figure out what it was that I was even doing, kind of genre that I fit in, until I came across all these bands that I was searching up on YouTube, the internet and shit. Came across the Melvins. A lot of things. Tad, he was really into Tad, and I fucking found out about him. Discovered all these different bands, Green River. Man, it was just nuts. And that's when I found out what it was, what I was doing.